Okay, here I am on December 5th of 2020. Saturday. Didn't feel like sitting around the house. Figured I'd get out and do something. Haven't been kayaking since like September. Felt like kayaking. Really, I'm out here to test out some of my bushcraft camping gear or whatnot. But to get where I want to go, I'm going to need a kayak anyway. And I got gear back here that I brought for the day. Not sure I could fit all of it in here together, but a good bit of it. But yeah, it's doesn't feel too bad right here. I figured I'd be freezing my ass off. I don't even have my coat on. I got my Omni wool and then on top of that I got this wool sweater from, what was it, Cabela's or Bass Pro. It's like 25% wool. Anyway, it ain't too bad. The water is, yeah, quite cold, but I'm fairly comfortable. Anyway, I'm going to shut this off for now. I'll get back on later, probably. Pretty sure this is the access point to the island right up here on the left. Yeah, I believe that's it. Find where I was able to climb up last time, or if I can even get to it. Yeah, it looks like I won't be going very far this way. Son of a bitch. Let's see what I do here. I guess I'll start by getting stuck. What the hell? I climb up right there, I think. Yeah, I'll have to wade my way up there and pull the kayak up, and then I should be where I planned on going for the day. Shit. Might tip it over now. Just a little ways further. Okay, so I got a couple of saplings here that are in the way of my hammock being able to swing proper and to put out my rain fly over top of it and whatnot. And besides, I need a couple of saplings to make the posts for the backing wall of my little fire pit thingy that I'm going to make. A little fire spot. So these have got to come down. Fuck, the beavers are chewing all the trees down out here anyway. I don't see what it's going to hurt if I cut a couple little ones down. So we're going to test out the Granthur's Brook Hunter X for this. It should go through quite easily. I'm going to get as close to the ground as I can. Yep, that was easy. This one's a little bit bigger. I kind of want to test out one of my saws actually, but I'll take a couple swings at it with this. Oh hell, that's doing a good fucking job already. Anyhow, the Laplander. Yep. Not bad. Alright, so now I'm going to test out my Bow Reel 21 saw. I mean, I've used this before, and my other saws. But yeah, I'm basically working on making a little area for the fireplace, basically. So yeah, this just snaps together, just like that. You got a bow saw. So I need to cut some of this stuff to length. Cut this odd end off of it first. So yeah, this is what I plan to use to make the actual wall, like the back wall of the little fire area. Just gotta get several pieces about this length and just stack them up between the other pieces, and they'll make a little wall. Yeah, this thing is nice. I do recommend it. Very good cutting. There's a few different blades you can get for it too, for different things. Some specialized. I think this is the all-purpose one, and there's ones that are specialized for like dry wood, and then I think there's something specialized for green wood, and there's something like there's a bone saw blade for it. I think I have them all. Like I got a few blades here. Anyway, PKS Mountain Lion. Another piece of my gear, my belt knife. Does a really good job. High carbon steel. 90-degree angled spine. Excellent knife. Yeah, now I'm just making the posts that are going to hold up my firewall thingy here. Kind of round this off so it doesn't smash when I go to hammer on it. So you do that with these four, and then basically it's going to be like that, like that. And then wood's just going to go between them. Okay, so here's my millbank bag for filtering water. Just some of this cleaner stuff over it. I've not yet tested this before, but basically you want to fill it all the way up. Keep getting stuck in the mud here. Yeah, you get it all the way full. Wipe it off a little. Oh, it's dripping faster than I thought it was going to. Interesting. Just gonna hang it from a branch or something. Some of this mud off of it. Let it drip a couple minutes, rinse it all off. And not even really a couple minutes, just hell, it's already down below the line, should be good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I did not expect it to run that fast. Wow. I guess I did stretch out the fibers pretty good. But yeah, from here, I just got to boil that water, and it should be safe to consume. I think I'm gonna maybe cook a little something with it. Anyway, you got the idea. Yeah, as you can see in there, you can tell the water's kind of murky. I just got it out of there, it's all muddy. Look how clean it is in there. Wow, yeah, that filters it out quite impressively fast. That's probably more than I need already. Anyway, I guess I'll take it back and get it boiling. Okay, so working on boiling that water that I collected and filtered with the Millbank bag. And then once I get this where it's been at a rolling boil for about 3 minutes, it should be safe to use. And I think I might make some mountain house with it. I got a pack of some kind of mountain house lasagna. So, yeah, hell, I might eat that. And then screw around here a little bit longer, try to get back before dark. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is the fire reflector wall I was talking about making before. I mean, for what I'm doing right now, there's really no point of it. It's for if you're actually doing like a real little campfire and you're trying to reflect heat back at you. But I'm not planning on doing that today. But I figured it'd be cool to build the reflector anyway. Might come out here and do a little something with it at some point in time. Alright, so the water has been boiling for a good few minutes now. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour 2 cups of it into this mountain house packet here. Lasagna with meat sauce. It sounds really good. Alright, so where's my cup mark? There it is. Should be right about there. Should be a cup. How's it smell? Yeah, it smells clean. I think it'll be alright. About there. Pour that in. Give it a stir. Oh wow, really cheesy. Whew. Yeah, all that cheese is stuck to there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and close it up. Let it sit about 10 minutes, so about 2:35 it'll be ready to eat. Go ahead and start getting this ready to cool off and put up. Alright. Okay, so I'm on my way back to the kayak right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start loading it up and head back home. My uncle's talking about grilling some steaks. I'm assuming he wants to do that today. So I'd like to be there for that. But yeah, let's see. I came in right over here. Put down this. Oh, this is going to be fun with the backpack on. Alright, and there's the kayak. I think I'm going to go my left getting out of here this time. See if I can avoid that shallow spot in those logs. Don't want to have to get out and drag the kayak again if I can help it. But, yep, I'm going to start loading up, and I guess that's about it for my adventure on the island today. Might record a little video rowing back or something, but I'm leaving the island. Had a good time. Good being able to get out here, test gear out, find a little nice spot to hang out during the day up here, whatnot. Yep. I guess that'll be it for now. Alright. Leaving the island now. Had a good day out there. Oh, getting some underwater wood here. Oh yeah, this looks like it'll be a much cleaner path out of here than the way I came in. Yeah. Nice little place.